Think about your house that's running off of natural gas. Well, that gas is running through miles and miles of pipelines. There's compressor stations, there's on-off systems throughout the entire pipeline network to keep it safe, to keep it running at all times. And so here at Charbonneau Industries, we can offer full packages, not only from a valve standpoint, but from an integration of the automation as well.
People trust Charbonneau Industries because we've been here a while. We have a reputation of quality. We keep about $120 million in inventory on the floor, and I believe we have about $150 million on order at any given time. So a $270 million investment in what we're doing is a considerable amount, and one that our customers take seriously. The main reason for that is anytime they're down or that equipment fails, they're typically losing money. So if they can't get that equipment back up and running, they're losing, to the order of magnitude for some of the facilities that we sell to, they could be losing $100,000 an hour. So our ability to respond to them or to provide them a replacement piece of equipment for what they're trying to do is critical.
What makes Charbonneau Industries different than a lot of other companies in their space is their business model. They really are a one-stop shop for especially these midstream customers. We continue to support them with investments in inventory specifically for them. We help them with forecasting, and we make inventory commitments in our own inventory to support their growth. Now we're doing all kinds of custom solutions for them and supporting them not only as they grow their volume, but helping them preserve their labor to do more things that are value added for their business. Right now we're making a fabrication for Charbonneau Industries, which is a DTR, differential thermal relief. And many of the valves that Charbonneau Industries puts together have these DTRs on them. It's saving them a lot of time. Their folks don't have to build these assemblies that may take them, an hour, 2 hours to complete. So we're saving them hours per valve.
This gives them a whole lot more time to do the things that they need to do to get the whole actuator package put together. They can just open up one bag, one part number, and make the assembly. That saves them time, saves them money.
So being able to request Swagelok to deliver a product in a timely manner, in a quick manner, is of great savings for us. It takes a burden off of our operations.
So a lot of our products go into critical applications. They're shutdown valves or ESDs. So if those don't work when they're supposed to, then that station can't come offline when it's supposed to. So if they have something happen, that's an anomaly, then they can't shut everything down, and that can impact not only their station, but it can impact flow down the line.
When you understand the application where these products are being used, oil and gas pipeline, it's very important. These systems are going through neighborhoods, they are going through cities, they are along interstates, they're everywhere. Swagelok is a credential for many customers. They will specifically call out Swagelok brand components.
DTRs, differential thermal reliefs, is a big part of what we do with the valves, and that's become our go-to on our DTRs. So if you use Swagelok as your go-to, you typically have met everybody's spec.
I trust Swagelok because they're the best. I don't have to question whether or not this is going to work down the road, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. We see Swagelok products that come back on our actuators and our valves that are still there after 20 years, and they're still holding pressure just fine.
The value of high quality products, especially in the industries that we serve, is that they don't have to go back and do it again. They don't have to fix what you sell, what you put out there. They don't have time for it. They don't have downtime to spare. So you put the product out there the first time right every time, those customers are coming back for sure.